Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw some bananas. First, draw a line like this. And then draw a line like this. Here. And a line like this. And a line like this. And then in that banana, draw a line like this. Now draw a line like this. And draw a line like this. And then a curve like this. And one like this. And a line like this. And then a line like this. And from this line, draw a line like this. And a line like this. This could be hard, but I'm willing to do it. And a line like that. And then up a line like that. And then a line like this. And from this line, actually from here, draw a curve like this. And from this line, connect this to that line. And then a line like this. And then a line like this. And then a line like this. And then this one like this. And then a line like this. We're done. To make it a bunch of bananas, I know what to do. There. It's tied up together. Now it won't go over there, over there, over there. It's time to color now. When bananas are ripe, they're yellow, but when they're not, they're green. So we'll mix them up together in colored. Sometimes the drawing is hard, but sometimes it's easy. We're almost done coloring. We're almost done coloring yellow, and then when we're done, we'll color brown or black, because brown is left here, I think. Okay, now I'll wait for my dad. Next, we'll add some green. I bet they're light green, I think. They could be dark green. Whatever you like, you can use that. If you like, you can put the background around. It's in a store or something like that. Because usually, you don't just get bananas. It's in the store first, and then you get the bananas. Okay, I'm done, but I'll wait for my dad. We're now done coloring light green. Now we started coloring dark green. There. Nice and ripe bananas. All done colored. And now it's time to deliver to them to the grocery store, I think. Should we? We should, I think. Bananas are really good for your health. My mom lets me and my brother, actually wants me and my brother to eat bananas each day. We make smoothies sometimes with banana. Let's play a game. So this game is like this. I'm going to say a color and count to 10. You have to go find that color in your house. If I don't, that's okay. Let's start. Go touch the color blue in your house. 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Are you done? Okay, if you're done, let's do the next color. Go find something green in your house. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Are you done? Now this is the last time. Go find the color black in your house or white. You can choose black or white. You go ahead. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you done? Are you ready? I find it too in my house too. Bye!